This is a 1966 Mustang Convertible. This car came in for service. It's all complete and done. Engine was completely gone over and detailed. We put a brake booster in there with brand new master cylinder. Put a new exhaust system in it. Now that it's completed, it's going to be going to France. Put a brand new stereo system in it. Brand new steering wheel. Brand new dash pad. Did a complete detail of it. What a beautiful pony car. Leaving New Jersey and going to France. It's got pony interior. Just a beautiful muscle car. Absolutely gorgeous.